Welcome investors! Today I want to talk with you about my favorite stocks. They are my favorite because they are stress-free stocks. Once I bought them, I'm not planning to sell them until my retirement time, until 2035. They are pure money makers and they are going only in one direction, up, up, and up. Very slowly, but always up. I also call them easy-going stocks because once I purchase them, I don't have to worry about checking them. I can basically forget about them and they will do very well over the long-term time. This is a situation which I really like in investing. I am making contrarian decision to buy them when everybody is selling, and then I can relax for the long time. That is my definition of happy, profitable and stress-free investing. So what Mickey Mouse and the trash has in common? They both belong to the great companies making money for investors. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking here about Disney Company and Waste Management. So let's start with Walt Disney Company. The Walt Disney Company was started in 1923 by Walt and Roy Disney. I just wanted to give you right now very interesting story about Walt Disney creating his most successful character. In spring 1928, Walt Disney traveled to New York to meet with his producer, Charles Mintz, in order to negotiate a more profitable contract. Disney was working back then on Oswald cartoons. The economic situation was not really good back then, and the producer told Disney that he will get 20% pay cut. Disney didn't like it and he decided to quit working on Oswald. And he decided to create a new cartoon character and decided to retain all rights to this new character. That is how Mickey Mouse was born in summer 1928, the most successful cartoon character so far. And it was born from really hard time for Walt Disney. I really like this story because many people would accept 20% pay cut and continue working on the project. But Walt Disney didn't want to settle for less. He was looking for something great, not for the minimum, and he really didn't want it to be at the mercy of others. So over time, Disney Company became multimedia powerhouse. So currently, market cap of Walt Disney Company is $342 billion. Debt is $58 billion. Cash on hands, $17 billion. Enterprise value is close to $400 billion. So let's take a look at the mission of the Walt Disney Company. The mission of the Walt Disney Company is to entertain, inform, and inspire people around the globe through the power of unparalleled storytelling, reflecting the iconic brands, creative minds, and innovative technologies that make Disney the world's premier entertainment company. So I think that they delivered. Whether by making their own productions or by acquiring high-quality entertainment companies like 20th Century Studios, Marvel, Lucasfilm, and Pixar. Only one thing which I regret is that I didn't buy more shares of Walt Disney Company when they were at the deep discount. So let's take a look at my small holdings of Disney Company right now. My Walt Disney shares. I purchased them on March 20th, 2020. That was almost in the middle of the health crisis, pandemic, virus going all over the world, and everybody was running away from the stock market. So I purchased only 60 shares. The price which I paid back then for Disney was $86.03. So today is March 29. So I purchased those shares exactly a year ago and 9 days. And the price of the Disney shares right now is 184 and 85 cents. So when I initially invested, I invested $5,161.88, and as of right now, my 60 shares of Disney are worth $11,091. So the appreciation on those 60 shares is $5,929.12, which is 114% increase over just 1 year. So because of making contrarian decision back then when everybody was running away from the stock market and I was running in, this 114% is my reward for buying those shares back then. And I'm really proud of them, and this is my trophy. There's not a lot of them, just 60 shares, but I really like them, and I will keep them until 2035, my retirement time. Another company I mentioned is Waste Management. It is the biggest company in North America market to provide waste management to residential, commercial, industrial, and municipal customers. Company capital structure, market cap is $54 billion. Total debt is $14 billion. Cash on hands is $553 million. Enterprise value is $68 billion. Recently, on February 23rd, 2021, company declared 5.5 increase in dividends. Besides managing the wastes, the company also works on transforming wastes into the energy. This is really untapped potential because as of right now, just a small fraction of the wastes are transformed into the energy. And I believe that in the future, this company will also become a steady power supplier because they have a product which can be utilized at much higher percentage than right now, and this will be additional source of income for the company and for the shareholders. So let's take a look at my small holdings of the shares of Waste Management. My waste management shares I started buying on March 25th, 2020. I bought only 5 shares for $87.59, and then on April 6th I bought 15 shares for $91.10. So total I bought just 20 shares. All the rest, which you can see here, on June 19, 2020, September 18, 2020, December 18, 2020, and March 26, 2021, that are dividends. Because this company didn't stop paying dividends like Disney did because of the pandemic. So all the time they pay dividends because still people are producing trash and their business decline, but did not decline so significantly like entertainment company, which is Disney, or another companies like, let's say, for example, Carnival. So this company is a necessity for our modern society. As of right now, which is March 29, the shares cost $130. So total which I invested in waste management is $1,849.01, and this turned out to be right now $2,656.72. So this is only 43% appreciation, which I got over past year from this company, but I'm really happy. This is a great company, and this is a keeper for many years until my retirement time. So those two stocks which you just saw in my portfolio are just examples of couple of my favorite stocks. Like I mentioned, I'll keep them until my retirement time. Stable industry leaders with the bright future. What are your favorite stocks in your portfolio? Please let me know. I would like to hear from you. Please write this down in the comments section below about your favorite stocks. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel. Also, please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit. I really appreciate your help with building very simple channel about investing. Thank you again for spending your valuable time with me today. I really appreciate your time right here with me. Please stay healthy and well, and have a great day.